Hi friends, this is the second part of our previous video on indoor plants. We couldn't include most of our collections in the previous video as many of us may not like to watch a video lasting more than 3 or 4 minutes. These are our Kokedama collections which we made about 8 months ago. Very easy to make and maintain. In fact, they are very low maintenance plants as watering and fertilizing is not frequent. They include succulents, cactus and flowering plants. We have wrapped them in jute thread so that they look beautiful and also retain lots of moisture. You can keep them anywhere in your living space to add beauty. Here we go. These are the succulent and cacti collection that we have at home. They have been with us for many years now. We have added a few colorful succulents and cacti very recently. All of them are growing good and seem to be happy to be part of the family. A glimpse of these plants will help you understand how beautiful they are. The color, texture, shape, growing pattern, all these will amaze you. Each one is unique. It is not mandatory that we need to plant them in ceramic planters. Very colorful and flowery plastic planters are available these days, which are a very good replacement option for ceramic planters. Though they look stylish, ceramic planters are slightly expensive and need more care in handling. Plastic planters are beautiful, lightweight, strong, durable, easy to handle and pocket friendly too. We can keep them anywhere in the house, especially a location where they get reasonably good lighting. Maybe, once a week we could take them out to the balcony or window side, for a few hours, for them to have sunlight. However, direct sunlight is not advised for succulents. As regards watering, water them only when the soil is completely dry. Liquid fertilizing is suggested once in 2 months. People have different suggestions on potting mix. What we propose is to have equal proportion of garden soil, cocoa peat, sand and cow dung, which help the plant to retain moisture with good air space for healthy growing roots. Look at this orchid plant. This is a dendrobium variety, bloomed around 45 days ago. This plant is 15 months old. This too, is a dendrobium, bloomed about 15 days ago. They look so pretty and attractive. We enjoy gardening. That's therapy for us, and we wish that our friends too would consider planting a few of them, thus creating a general passion for gardening. Hope if these videos could inspire you.